Have you ever wondered how architects show the inside of a beautiful, complex building on a single flat sheet of paper? It is a significant challenge. When we look at a finished house, we are looking at a sealed, physical container. From this outside perspective, we can only see the solid walls and the roof. These features block our view of how the rooms fit together. We need a way to see the entire internal layout at once, without the roof obstructing our view. To understand how a building actually works, we have to find a way to look through that solid exterior shell. Imagine an invisible, horizontal plane passing through the house, slicing through the walls at about waist height for an adult. Think of this newly separated top half of the building as the removable lid of a puzzle box. Now imagine lifting the entire upper portion of the house away, exactly like you are removing the lid from a box. This mental act of removing the top half is the structural concept that makes all architectural blueprints possible. With the roof out of the way, we can look straight down from the top into the open rooms. Suddenly, the hidden spaces are clear. We can see the kitchen layout and where the counters are positioned. We can spot the bedrooms and see how the living room connects to the rest of the house. This specific top-down view is what professionals call a floor plan. Changing our vantage point to look from directly above transforms a physical home into a readable map. This map uses specific symbols. Thick lines show structural walls, and gaps show the doors. Furniture appears as simple geometric shapes, revealing the space left to walk. We also include high features like bathroom ventilators, though above our cut, we still draw them. By showing the walls and the furniture, the floor plan acts as a curated diagram that explains how a person will actually experience the home. Compare our 3D cutaway directly to a technical blueprint. They convey the same information. Notice how physical kitchen objects on the left map perfectly to abstract line symbols on the right. Curved lines also show exactly which way the doors will swing open. These simple, abstract lines provide the precise mathematical data that builders use to construct the actual house. This document is essentially a top-down slice of the entire building. This translation from 3D space to 2D paper is what allows an architect's idea to become a real physical building. To read a floor plan, remember this 4-step sequence. First, imagine slicing through the building horizontally. Second, remove that top half entirely, like lifting a lid off a box. Third and fourth, look straight down to see your map. Cut, remove, look down, floor plan. Now, whenever you see a complex blueprint, you'll know that you are simply looking into an open box from above.